Hi, my name is Matt Stern. I'm a senior in the School of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Cornell University. So my focus within ECE is the boundary where computer science and computer engineering meet each other and how they work together. So next year I'm going to be working at Google in New York City. I'm going to be a site reliability engineer in software engineering. So what a site reliability engineer at Google does is they're responsible for basically the entire infrastructure of all of Google's biggest systems like Maps, Search, and Drive. And we basically build the systems and the software that runs all of these at such a high scale that hundreds of millions of people can use it at the same time with no downtime and really high speeds. So when I came to Cornell, I was pretty undecided between CS and ECE, and I spoke to one of the ECE professors at my own freshman orientation, and she really steered me in the direction of ECE because it's such a diverse field. You could really go into so many different areas within ECE. You could go into signal processing, you could go into computer engineering, you could design analog circuits, digital circuits. The possibilities are endless, and I know ECE is even going into business and finance, and it really opens up so many doors for you if you do ECE, and it's a really great environment to be just because of how rigorous it is. You learn so much, and you can really apply that knowledge anywhere. So ECE has just been a really great experience for me, mostly because of what I've learned from it. I've become an expert in so many fields that I'm going directly into, so many fields that I may get into later on in my career, and so many fields that I may not be going into in my career, but are still really, really interesting and good to know. And I think just working in groups and mastering all of this diverse material with a great group of hardworking friends in a collaborative, cooperative environment just really made me a better learner, a better worker, and a better teammate. So I think the biggest thing is that a lot of people don't really know what ECE is when they get to Cornell because it's such a diverse major. And since being here, I really see that it almost is anything involved in technology. I mean, like I've said before, the possibilities are endless where you can go with ECE, robotics, circuits, signals, designing cell phones, Wi-Fi, computer engineering, designing microprocessors, coding. It's really all of those things in one, and it's such a broad major. So it really is hard to define exactly what ECE is, but having gone through the program, I really see that it's almost everything that you could think of. So my favorite part about being an ECE student is when you're a senior and you get into cumulative design projects. So one class that all the seniors in ECE really like is called microcontrollers. And basically you have a final project where you could use a microcontroller to build almost anything you want. And me and my partner built a collaborative music project that allows you to record songs with different sound effects. It allows you to play pre-recorded songs and it will tell you how well you played them so you can learn how to play them better. And it also allows you to record a song, send it to a friend, and have him add onto it later, so that way you don't have to be in the same place in order to record music, which is good because busy college students often can't sync up their schedules. So it was really cool to kind of invent and really apply all the knowledge that I've learned to do what I really enjoy.